Super healthy and tasty. Woohoo! This is it, the dessert that you dreamed about. You know, it has a lot of collagen, antioxidants, protein, and fiber. Everything that we need. I call it Squiggly Mary. Maria Mole is a different version with some input from our viewers. Look how nice this looks. Yes, let's do it. Well, when you make a Wiggly Mary, even the milk wiggles. Wiggle, 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 wiggle. So I have 1 cup of hot milk here. I'm going to add 3 packets of plain gelatin. No flavor, no sugar. If you're using from another type of packaging, it's 7 grams each of these packets. So you can use that as a guide. And then we are going to start waiting for the gelatin to dissolve in the milk. We're going to add 1 teaspoon of vanilla. This was a suggestion from one of our viewers for more flavor. And about 1 tablespoon of honey. Now this is going to go to the mixer until it gets the consistency that we want, the thick consistency, like marshmallow, but for the Maria Mole. It's important to notice that sometimes it takes over 10 minutes on max speed to make it work. While we wait for the consistency to arrive, we can prep where we are going to put our Maria Mole. This is a baking tray, and I'm going to add here a mixture of cranberries and sunflowers. Ooh, it's a test, people, it's a test. Is it going to taste good? My Maria Mole is in perfect consistency. I'm going to add to the tray now.
It's interesting. I mean, it's kind of fun. Tastes like marshmallow.
É uma delícia. Now we add the mixture of cranberries and sunflowers to the top. I hope it tastes good, but I have to tell you, it looks very, very good too. And you can put as much as you want. And let's see the taste, because that's why we cook. This is it. If I were you, 3 things I would do. Save this video, because you need to make this recipe. Follow me, because it's amazing the desserts we present in the snacks. And then run. Let's go make some Maria Moles.